Welcome to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cool Cash Cow Samantha, and here's a big money moo-moo to you for joining our Cool Cash Cows community and making money online with us today. Today, I will be breaking down smart money tactics and doing a comparison between secure agent marketing and the CPA method. But before I do, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and slap the bell icon so you miss out on none of our money-making secrets. Now let's jump right into it. Smart money tactics, secure agent marketing versus CPA method. Secure agent marketing. Secure agent marketing is a method of acquiring customers without having to spend money on advertising or paying a fee to an affiliate network or search engine. This method of marketing involves sending out emails to people that already have an interest in your product or service, and then getting them to sign up for your list. Secure agent marketing has no setup costs, aside from the cost of your email list and time spent sending out emails. You can use any email software package, like MailChimp, to send out emails. But if you're looking for something more advanced than that, then check out Campaign Monitor's paid plans. Most of the companies in this industry are small businesses that don't want to pay for advertising because they know how expensive it is. However, there are some larger companies that do use secure agent marketing as well. For example, I've used this method to grow my business from 0 clients at one point last year to having over 50 clients today. CPA method. A CPA is often used by businesses that have very specific goals in mind but don't necessarily have a large budget to execute those goals. The idea is that you get a small amount of money back from every customer who signs up for your service and pays for it, which means you can scale quickly without having to spend much money up front. The downside is that it can be hard to track conversions if you don't have a clear idea of where your customers come from or how many of them there are. Some people also worry that their business will be seen as less trustworthy because of all the tracking data being collected on them, so they may not want to use this method at all. Are you using a secure agent marketing method to drive leads? If so, you're on the right track. That's because a secure agent marketing method is what we use at our company. Secure agent marketing involves sending leads directly to your sales team instead of through an advertising platform like Google AdWords or Facebook ads. This means that the lead gets an email from the salesperson, and then they can follow up with them in any way they want, whether that be in person or over the phone or by emailing them directly at their website address. In contrast, CPA, cost per action, methods are advertising methods where you pay for each action taken by a user, like clicking on an ad. In other words, these methods work like direct response ads. Your goal is to get users to take action on your site once they see your ads. Major difference. Secure agent marketing is a great way to get new business. It's a sales tactic where you work with an individual who represents your company and sells your product or service. This person is paid by commission on the sales they bring in, so the more sales they make, the more money they make. CPA advertising can be used for both lead generation and direct response efforts. The key difference between these two approaches is that CPA is much faster than secure agent marketing because it doesn't require hours of setup time or training for your reps/agents. How do they compare? Number 1, CPA marketing can be used by any business looking to get more clients or improve their bottom line. It involves setting up a direct campaign and charging based on the results of that campaign. Secure agent marketing works similarly, but instead of charging on how many conversions come from an ad, you charge based on how many leads you bring in and how much money they cost you when they sign up. Number 2, CPA, cost per acquisition, is what most advertising platforms charge per lead. This means that they charge you a certain amount of money for each person who signs up for their services. Secure Agent Marketing, SAM, is a strategy where you pay a certain amount of money to have your website or any other marketing materials displayed on digital billboards in various locations around cities. This allows you to reach people who normally wouldn't be able to find you on their own because there aren't any billboards near them. Number 3. Agent Marketing. This method involves placing a small ad on your main page, and the customer's contact information is hidden from view. The ads are designed to look like legitimate job postings, but they don't actually lead people to hire you. CPA method. This is similar to Secure Agent Marketing, but instead of hiding the customer's contact information, it shows them directly. This method can be more costly, especially if you're just starting out with your business. Number 4. The main difference between Secure Agent Marketing and CPA Marketing is that with an SaaS lead generation service, the lead generation company will be responsible for sourcing new clients for you through their own methods. While with a CPC campaign, you'll be responsible for finding qualified leads yourself. With Secure Agent Marketing, your company has more control over the process and can make sure that its needs are met without always having to rely on a third party. However, it can also be more expensive than CPC campaigns since there's no cost per lead model involved. Number 5. With Secure Agent Marketing, you work with a company that will help you promote your business on various platforms and collect a commission based on how many people sign up. They provide you with leads, traffic, and sales opportunities so you can market yourself directly to consumers. The CPA method involves paying for advertisements in exchange for an agreed-upon return on investment, ROI. Usually, this ROI is measured in terms of time spent watching an advertisement or click-through rates on ads. You can also get paid per lead or sale made from a particular ad campaign. Number 6. The cost per acquisition, CPA method, is one of the most popular ways to market your business. It's also one of the most effective and affordable methods for growing a business. However, it has limitations. You have to pay out of pocket, and there are many expenses associated with this type of marketing strategy. The other option is Secure Agent Marketing, which is another way to market your business, but is much less expensive than the CPA marketing strategy. With Secure Agent Marketing, you can set your own costs and make more money by getting more customers through word-of-mouth referrals. Number 7. Secure Agent Marketing is a great way to get started with affiliate marketing. It's also a lot of work and can be time-consuming. But what if you're looking for something simpler? What if you're just looking for some extra cash and don't want to spend hours on the phone every day? Well, it turns out there are lots of ways to make money with affiliate marketing this way. The most common way is through CPA, cost per action marketing. In this method, you pay a certain amount of money per sale that you get from an affiliate, the product owner. If you're an expert at researching products and websites and finding the best deals on them, then this is probably your best bet. Number 8. Secure Agent Marketing and CPA marketing are two different ways to promote your product or service. The main difference between the two is that Secure Agent Marketing involves paying an agent who can get your product into stores and through distributors, while CPA marketing involves paying a company to place ads on social media and other digital platforms. For example, if you want to sell your product or service through an ad on Facebook, you might choose CPA marketing because it's less expensive than Secure Agent Marketing. But if you want your product or service to be sold in stores, then Secure Agent Marketing is probably the best option for you. Number 9. CPA marketing is a great way to get your company's name out there, but it doesn't have the same kind of power as secure agent marketing. CPA marketing has a lower conversion rate and higher cost per lead than secure agent marketing. Secure agent marketing gives you more control over your brand and the results you get from advertising. You can choose the specific audience that you want to reach and have more control over their experience with your company by using powerful tracking tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Insights. You can also run advertisements directly through Facebook or LinkedIn, which will allow you to reach a wider range of people. For another income-generating smart money tactic, click the video on the screen now.